So we moved to Bend in 2001 and ended up purchasing this house in 2006. And when we moved into it, we didn't know anything about metal roofing, metal siding. We just liked the house. And through the years of living here now, 2022, I guess we could do the math, 16 years, that we've learned to really enjoy and see the benefits of having a metal roof. So we live in Bend, Oregon with lots of climate, snow, and then of course rain. And unbeknownst to us with the metal roof, there's quite a lot of benefit to it. We've had no leaking. It's really like zero upkeep. We haven't had any problems, and with that we're very, very thankful. During the snowstorm, which was about 5 or 6 years ago in our community, there was so much snow and it just kept piling up that the weight of the snow actually, many roofs collapsed. And so with the slanted and the metal and being able to slough off was really a benefit. And so we were grateful to have the metal roofing. We don't have to do much to maintain it. We don't really do anything. We clean the pine needles. We live in a very forested area. And so there's just the need to kind of clean the pine needles out of the rain gutters and such, but it's like zero upkeep for us, which is beneficial because we're able to enjoy the outdoors, And one other benefit to it for us is that we do live in a very high risk area with forest fires. And so that's unbeknownst to us, but that's been a real big benefit. We had a best friend of ours build a second house from Seattle, and they came down here and they sought out metal siding and a metal roof just for that, the protection and the safety of that. And so once we kind of recognized the benefits of it, sharing it with them, that's how they decided to design their home. Yeah, they're dear friends of ours, and they actually are the third home away from us. The other thing I've noticed in our neighborhood, that all the new builds are kind of dealing with the metal siding and the metal roofing. And so I think that's really come to the forefront when people are designing a home for longevity and also for aesthetics. We're extremely happy with the metal roof and the metal siding. And if I were to leave this house and build one or look for another house, that actually would be something that I would look for. I think there's tremendous benefits to upkeep, maintenance, and then also safety.